Another 2 hot dogs this year. The first up, we've got a Frito Pie Dog, and over here we've got a peanut sauce dog topped with crushed peanuts. We're just gonna put our Fritos down in a little bit of heated oil. We're gonna let these loosen up for a little bit, get a little sweaty before we add in our next ingredients, but that is really just the first step we need. We're gonna drop down some beans. That's probably good enough. Some corn. Our cut up tomatoes. Chili powder, or just, yeah, chili powder. Some taco seasoning. There we go. And some tomato sauce. There we go. I think that should be good enough. But give this a mix. We're going to let this cook on the stove for a little bit. I'm going to turn the stove down from medium to kind of like a low high, a low. And just let this cook for a little bit. Mix it up real good. There you go. We'll just we'll leave this to just kind of cook together for a little bit. In the meantime, it's time for us to start our peanut butter sauce. So I'm going to get us our glob of peanut butter to start. Just get that down. Good stuff. What do I do with this? Okay, and then immediately we're going to add some gochujang, just a little bit of spice. We're going to do some soy sauce, some hoisin sauce, and some sweet chili sauce. Quickly we're going to pick it up off the burner so it doesn't burn everything. Just give this a good mix. Let this melt down into kind of we're going for a thick, creamy sauce so it stays on that dog well. We might have to add a little bit of extra peanut butter. You just measure it as you go. There you go. Okay, looking pretty good. We're going to put it back down on the stove. That is the consistency I was going for. Let's do a little taste. So, pretty good. I'm getting mostly peanut butter, so we're going to add in a little bit extra soy sauce, and I want to add a little bit more spice back to it, so some gochujang. That's fantastic. There we go. Just kind of mix it up to your desired flavor. And there's that darker, rich coloring that I was also aiming for. So let's try it again. There we go. That's what's up. Okay, so we're good here. We're going to take this off the stove. Let's get our hot dogs turned in the background over here. These are just about done too. Before we move, let's give this a little shifty. And I think this is probably about done too, so man, this could be a real short video today. We're just going to assemble our dogs here in just a second, so cut. Start us off, we're going to be making we're going to assemble our peanut sauce dog. I cannot stress this enough. With your choice of peanut sauce, please just pick the favorite way you like making peanut sauce, alright? I like mine thick, dark. Not everyone does, and that's a lot of people really are not going to like it, but we're going to top it off with crushed peanuts too, give it a little bit of a crunch factor. There you go. Now, for our Frito Pie Dog, we've got our bun, our dog, our Frito Pie mixture here. Just like that. Top it off with some cheese and some sour cream. And then we top all that off with some crushed up Fritos. And that is our Frito Pie Dog. We're going to start off taste testing our peanut sauce dog. It's all right. The flavors of the peanut sauce are good. I think I tried to experiment a little bit with hoisin sauce. It's like something new for me. Never had it in the kitchen before. I think if I was to redo this, no hoisin sauce. I think it's just like, hoisin sauce is such a strong flavor. I think it's detracting from everything else that I love in a peanut sauce. So I would actually take that out. That was a recommendation I found online that hoisin sauce was really great in peanut sauces. I tried it, not a fan. If you made this peanut butter dog without hoisin sauce, I think you'd be golden. We know how much I love peanut butter. We know how much I love peanut butter on hot dogs. Unfortunately, this one did not do it. I'm going to give it like a 2.5. So we're going to round up and say 3. It might as well be a 2 though. It really, take out that hoisin sauce and you've got yourself something amazing. Unfortunately, it's not going to make the cut. Now, our Frito Pie Dog, on the other hand, we know that this one is about to be fire. Ooh, let's make sure we get this side a little bit more crunch. What's not to love about every ingredient on this dog? It's a great dog. It's a good dog even. No, fuck. It's a good dog. A great dog even. I don't think it quite reaches the level of 5 though. It's a strong 4. Almost a 5. It's probably missing just one small thing. Not really sure what it is off the top of my head. A jalapeno would probably send this up to a 5, give it a little bit of a spice factor. I love some crunch on a dog. This is a great dog. It's kind of just like a home cooking style dog. This one's not fancy, not too hard to do. Frito pies are amazing. Slap it on dog. You got everything you need right here. That's it. Another 2 hot dogs down.